friendly, as it produces no emissions. The Flyway is equipped with a battery pack that provides up to 2 hours of riding time on a single charge. It also has a built-in Bluetooth speaker and a USB port for charging your phone. The Flyway is designed for both beginners and experienced water sports enthusiasts. It is easy to learn to ride and can be used in a variety of conditions, from calm lakes to choppy waves. The Flyway is currently priced at $14,900. The Air Scooter is a one-passenger, hybrid electric VTOL vertical takeoff and landing multi-copter aircraft. It is the world's most advanced personal flying machine, capable of flying at a top speed of 100 km per hour and a cruise speed of 80 km per hour. The Air Scooter has a maximum payload of 100 kilograms and can fly for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. The Air Scooter is powered by a patented hybrid electric propulsion system that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor. This system allows the Air Scooter to achieve a longer flight time than any other VTOL on the market. The Air Scooter is also equipped with a number of safety features, including an automatic landing system and a parachute. The Moza AI Robo Hands is a 4D massage device that uses a combination of vibration, tapping, and heat therapy to provide a relaxing and rejuvenating massage experience. The Robo Hands features 2 robotic hands that move independently, allowing them to target specific areas of the body. The hands have a variety of different massage modes, including kneading, tapping, and shiatsu. The Robo Hands also features a heat therapy function that can help to relax muscles and relieve pain. The Robo Hands is portable and lightweight, making it easy to take with you on the go. It is also relatively affordable, making it a good option for people who are looking for a high-quality massage device at a reasonable price. Some online retailers speculate the price will be between $400 and $500. The Nikasa M1 is a self-cleaning cat litter box that was launched in 2023. It is a fully automated litter box that uses a combination of scooping and sifting to remove waste from the litter box. The waste is then deposited into a sealed waste bin, which can be easily removed and disposed of. The Nikasa M1 also features a built-in odor control system that helps to keep the litter box smelling fresh. The Nikasa M1 is a great option for cat owners who are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use litter box. It is also a good choice for people with allergies, as the sealed waste bin helps to prevent the spread of allergens. The Nikasa M1 self-cleaning cat litter box is currently available for pre-order on Indiegogo for $274. The Naus Tourer CUV is a unique and innovative campervan that combines the best of both worlds: the driving dynamics of a modern SUV and the versatile living space of a campervan. It's ideal for those who want a car that can handle both everyday driving and weekend adventures. The Tourer CUV has a sleek and modern design that makes it stand out from other campervans. It's based on the Fiat Ducato platform, which provides a comfortable and spacious interior. The innovative raising roof concept creates a high headroom of at least 1.90 meters, even when the vehicle is parked. This allows for plenty of room to move around and stand up comfortably, even when the roof is raised. The Tourer CUV is equipped with a full kitchen, including a stove, sink, and refrigerator. The vehicle can sleep up to 4 adults, thanks to the 2 rear beds and the optional pop-up roof bed. There is also a bathroom with a toilet and shower. The Fourier GR1 is a general-purpose humanoid robot developed by Fourier Intelligence, a Chinese robotics company. It is the first mass-produced humanoid robot in the world and is designed for a variety of applications, including healthcare, rehabilitation, and home assistance. The GR1 is 1.65 meters tall and weighs 55 kilograms. It has 44 full-body degrees of freedom and can walk at a speed of up to 5 kilometers.